If you've ever wondered how to add pages in Lucidspark, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process step by step so you can expand your board, stay organized, and keep your ideas separated across multiple pages. This is a really helpful feature if you're brainstorming, planning projects, mapping workflows, or just need more space to work without cluttering one single canvas. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Lucid account and go to the Lucidspark board you want to expand. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that the board you're editing is the one where you want to add a new page. Once the board is open, take a look at the top left area of the canvas. Near the document name, you should see a gear icon or a menu icon depending on your view. Click that menu to open the available options. From the drop-down, choose Edit in Lucidchart. This may sound a little unexpected, but this is the path that lets you manage pages more directly. Once you switch over, your board will open in the Lucidchart editor, where you'll have access to the page controls. Now focus your attention on the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where Lucidchart keeps the page tabs and the button for adding new ones. Look for the plus icon labeled Add Page. Go ahead and click that plus button to create a new blank page. As soon as you do, a fresh page tab will appear at the bottom, giving you a new area to work with. This is great if you want to separate different sections of your project, create multiple brainstorming spaces, or organize related content without mixing everything together. If you want, you can also rename the page tab to keep things clearer. To do that, just double-click the tab name, such as Page 2, and type in a new title. For example, you could name it Planning, Ideas, Meeting Notes, or anything that matches your workflow. If you prefer, you can also right-click the tab to see more options, such as duplicating the page, deleting it, or converting it into a master page. That's really all there is to it. Once you know where to find the page controls, adding pages in Lucidspark becomes quick and easy. It's a simple way to keep your board structured and easier to navigate, especially when you're working on larger projects or collaborating with a team. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.